Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to change your pipe from looking like this to this. This will be part 3 of reviving the 2020 TC125. If you want to learn more about that, make sure to check out my past 2 videos that I have uploaded. So let's get to cleaning up our pipe. So some of the things that you'll need is a microfiber or a rag or paper towels, whatever you need. Whatever you have. Another thing, some type of cleaning product or WD-40 would be better thing to use. Next thing you'll need is a Brillo pad or some type of steel wool or a Scotch-Brite pad. I feel like a Scotch-Brite pad is probably the easiest and best one to use, but right now all I have is a Brillo pad. You can probably ask your mom or your wife for one. Alright, so this is my Buds Racing like a factory style pipe. You can see that it's just the raw steel with no nickel coating or anything. It is my favorite looking pipe. Sadly, it ends up getting rusty and gross looking if you don't keep up with it. The reason why my pipe even looks like this is because I broke my foot and had surgery on it, and I haven't rode in 6 months, and I'll be riding this weekend, so we'll also upload a video for that, so make sure you subscribe. The first thing you want to do is to start anywhere you want. I'm going to start right in the center on the Buds logo here, and I'm gonna get our simple green and spray it on here, and then I'm going to start rubbing it down with some Scotch-Brite. Okay, so as you can see, with just a little bit of work on this little logo here is actually looking pretty nice, and also kind of around it, it's looking decent. Up top on the pipe, took out all the rust. It's a lot better. As you can see, this is kind of how it was before, a lot darker and rusty and whatnot. So basically all you want to do is just keep going at it. Make sure intermittently take out all your gunk and crap off the pipe. Just reapply some more soapy water and start going at it again. So obviously the more that you do this, the more it's going to come back to being 100% clean and back to how it was when you first got your pipe. Alrighty guys, well here is our nice pipe, all nice and cleaned up. I started using a couple different things I had at the house. The simple green would work, it just takes kind of too long. It's not really as like chemically to like kind of rip everything off, strip everything off. I did use some engine cleaner and degreaser. That also worked. I believe the best thing to clean this would be WD-40, but I sadly do not have any. I have no idea how that's even possible, but I don't have any WD-40 at the house. Brillo pad did an alright job. I'd still recommend a Scotch-Brite pad. I do feel like that would have done better as well. But anyways, this actually came out decently well for not having all the proper tools, just some household products that you would actually have. So that's pretty cool. So let's throw this onto the car. Exhaust is all on there, good to go. All right, now that the exhaust is on, let's just start assembling the bike back together. All right, so now that the bike is all nice and put together, we can take out our little cover here, and then we can throw in our nice little lubricated, oiled up air filter. And now we can throw in our number plate. number plate is on there all nice and good. Okay, so now that the air filter and number plate is back on the bike, we're pretty much ready to rip with this bike here. The gas was sitting in the gas tank for about 6-ish months. So we're definitely gonna drain the gas, get some new gas, premix, and mix her up. So you're gonna have to wait till next video to watch that. So make sure to give this video a big old thumbs up and also subscribe.